Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. I received this cute little origami box created by the lovely Linda Worth at Lilo Crafts, and I did check Linda's blog to see if she had a tutorial for it. It is an origami piece, so it simply unfolds like that. I couldn't see a tutorial. I could have gone on YouTube, I could have searched wherever, Pinterest, something like that. But because I could take it apart and put it back together again, I just played about with it until I sussed it out myself. I'm a bit awkward like that. So I have made one with the beautiful Fancy Flora DSP and a whole load of lovely designs in that pack. I chose one that was kind of Eastery colours because I've got little Easter eggs in that. Linda had gifted us some fruity chews in her swaps, and I've put it in a retired cello bag with just a little label inside saying Happy Easter. So, and I coloured the ribbon with a Stampin' Blend because that is just a black and white ribbon normally. So I'm just going to make another one. Still using the same paper pack. I thought I'd use a bright, bold, oh, see, every time you turn the paper over, you're like, oh, I don't like that. No, I'm decided I'm going with that one. So, no cutting, no gluing in this. Simply line up your two edges. Get your bone folder and press that down. Okay, and then do the same on the opposite side. So lining it up, happy with that. There we go. Okay, so that is score one. So you've just basically scored it into quarters. Then you want to take that tip and put it in towards the middle there. Okay, so just so that you can see, that's the edge that way and that's the edge that way. Okay, and do that, and then while you're at it, I find using my grid paper a little bit easier, but we're just folding that point down back to that line there. Okay, do the same on the other quarters. So got up to there and to there. That will do. Bring that one down. Like so. I love little projects like this. But I have to say I did really enjoy trying to work it out for myself. Just a bit awkward, you know. Everybody else would just Google it. And now you can Google it. And you might find me in this video. There we go. And that one back out. Like so. There we go. So that's 3 sets of lines. We need to add in one more. So I'm just folding that back out. And this time we're taking a corner, but we're taking over to that score line there. Okay, so not the first one, but the second one there. Like that. Press that down. Then do exactly the same. So that tip to the second score line there. Press that down. Obviously, because I'm using Stampin' Up's Fabulous Designer Series paper, it's a bit thicker than origami paper, but it does mean that your little box is pretty robust when you're finished. 2 more to do. Over to that line, and again, it's sometimes easier to fold it up a bit so that you can see the line a little bit easier. The thicker paper does kind of fight you a little bit more. Okay. And the last one. Just trying to get my points in line so that I've got that kind of straight-ish, she says. Okay, so we've got all our first score lines, and we now know that this bit is going to fold in like that, and then this bit is going to fold in like that. So that's my 2 sides. Okay, so for the ends, I'm pushing those bits in, bringing that up, folding that over, and that becomes the base. Okay, so last one, push those bits in. They've got 2 score lines on them, so push that in. Have I got this right? No, I'm pushing the wrong bit, that's what it was. Right, push that in, fold that up, and press that down. It will take a little bit of persuading to go over that lip, like so. There you go, you've got your little box. I'm going to neaten up those edges so that it doesn't want to unfold again. Cute little origami tray. Okay, all I want to do is fill it with some Easter eggs. Pop some of those in there. Cute, aren't they? One more for luck. There we go. And then I want my little sentiment, so I'm using the Celebrating You stamp set, and we've got a little Happy Easter there. I've got this time a piece of balmy blue and a piece of basic white. Got my stamp already mounted and my ink pad. Give that a few taps, just check that it's all inked up, and then pop that down there. Lovely. Put that out of the way. Bring in the double oval punch. Line that up. Bring it down a little bit. Over a bit. There we go. Happy with that. Keep that bit. Get rid of the rest. And I've got a piece of balmy blue to do the larger oval. So it's done with that. Simply glue those 2 pieces together. I think I might have to give up on this glue. I know there's some in there. Yeah. Always got a spare side of my desk. Okay, so that's the only bit gluing, and it's not entirely necessary. You could just add that little piece in on its own without backing it. I just thought it looked a bit nicer like that. You could have your message at the bottom of your box, so once they've eaten the eggs, they see the Happy Easter, or you could turn that into a tag and put it on your ribbon. Totally up to you. As I say, these are retired cello bags, but I am gifting these to people that won't care about the bag. It'll just be about the chocolates. going in there like that. And I mentioned earlier that I coloured the ribbon. Stampin Blends, I prefer to use the brush end, kind of gauge how much ribbon you might need, and just simply colour it with your blend. You're just adding that little bit of colour. Does the trick. Okay, then put that on so it doesn't dry out. Got that at the bottom. Pull that around. Hope I've coloured enough of it. If not, it might just get a knot instead of a bow. Down. The blue's really subtle on it anyway, so that's as far as I got there, so I'm going to chop that off. Missed a bit. Chop that bit off, and that's what I've got to play with. Plenty. We go. We have two cute little Easter gifts. Just chop that off. Nice, quick and easy, inspired by one of the fabulous swaps from the lovely Pootlers Team Retreat Spring 2023. So, hope you've enjoyed this project. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to click on that subscribe button. And if you click on the bell, you'll get a notification the next time I upload a YouTube tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.